Just find it and take it, don't let regret it. Make me your only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you'll be gone.
Hey, here we go. We are near to Kamnik, 1.5 kilometers. It's gonna be 25, and then the way back. A total 50k for this Saturday. You see the city behind of this little houses. Here we are in Kamnik. It's a very small, nice town. This is the main street which goes to the Kamnik castle, and there's a wedding. Nice! Congratulations, guys! Oh yeah! Here we have really old houses. We have syrova stručka, which is bread with cheese, and the chocolate muffin, and long coffee, Americano. And David has his Lashko. Does his celebration after 25 kilometers.
You love me and hate me, true me and false me, make me your shining star. Giving, receiving, changing, believing, only then we can start. Feel like that. Feel like, feel like that.
Here we are in the Kamnik castle. This castle has really nice view. That mountains are Kamnik Alps.